Over the moon, unveiling its meaning and usage. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that paints a vivid picture of happiness and satisfaction: to be over the moon. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced English learner, understanding these expressions can add color to your conversations and help you sound more like a native speaker. Let's explore what it means to be over the moon, where this phrase comes from, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. When someone says they are over the moon, they are not talking about a literal journey to outer space. Instead, they are expressing a state of extreme happiness or delight. It's a way to say that you're more than just happy. You're ecstatic, thrilled, or overjoyed about something. This phrase is often used to describe emotions that feel as vast and boundless as the sky above us. The expression, over the moon, has a whimsical quality to it, suggesting something magical and out of this world. It is believed to have roots in fairy tales and folklore, where the moon is often a symbol of mystery, beauty, and unreachable desires. Over time, saying someone is over the moon became a poetic way of stating they feel a happiness that's beyond ordinary, as if they've achieved something as impossible as leaping over the moon itself. Incorporating over the moon into your daily English can make your language richer and more expressive. Here are a few examples to guide you. 1. Personal achievements. I was over the moon when I passed my driving test on the first try. 2. Reacting to good news. My best friend told me she's getting married. I'm over the moon for her. 3. Special occasions. They were over the moon to see their family after so many years apart. Remember, while the phrase is quite versatile, it's best used in informal contexts or personal conversations where expressing genuine joy and excitement is appropriate. We hope this exploration of the phrase, to be over the moon, has added a new expression to your English vocabulary and shown you a fun way to express joy and happiness. Whether you're celebrating an achievement, sharing good news, or simply enjoying life's special moments, don't hesitate to say you're over the moon about it. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep practicing, and stay curious about the beautiful intricacies of the English language.